Arrive in style with this 2016 Ford Focus SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Equipment Group 200A, Reverse Sensing Package, SE Sport Package, 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio data system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.